Hi everyone. Welcome to your free online sign language writing course. Hello, today I would like to answer a question. How do you write in sign language? But first, what's writing? Writing is a communication system through written signs, which has been essential to know much of the history of humanity. What makes sign language writing necessary? Unlike verbal or sign communication, writing is characterized by transmitting messages that can last over time. This has facilitated the transmission of knowledge from very ancient times in human history, while, in verbal or sign communication, messages suffer distortions between people and generations. Over time, different alphabets have been developed according to the needs and characteristics of different languages. This has allowed a large number of people who can now read to acquire knowledge, develop their creativity, and expand or explain their way of understanding the world. Many native speakers have expressed frustration that they lack a writing system for their first language, ASL. Some people think that videos are not a good substitute for the written word. Videos are high bandwidth, and preserving video is much more difficult than writing. Videos cannot be printed and do not survive hard drive crashes. Many cloud services are happy with small text files, but not huge videos. Another benefit is search. You can't search for a video, nor refer to the same part of the book in a different interpretation. Currently, you cannot search in ASL. You have to search in English and then put ASL after it. This makes ASL a second-class citizen rather than the first-class language that it is. Having a written form favors the standardization of sign language. How do you write in sign language? In our days, virtual communication is paramount and connects, in a matter of seconds, people who are at remote distances. For this reason, it is necessary that a writing system for deaf people must be able to be easily transmitted by communication mechanisms that are already commonly used. Bearing this in mind, a new, practical, easy-to-remember, effective, and functional system has been designed to transmit sign language in written form, both on paper and by electronic means. It is a system that is designed to write complete sentences. A new ASL writing system. What is the ZulWsigns system? It is a writing system designed to be able to describe in writing the signs that the deaf person sees when speaking. ASL is a three-dimensional language. This system facilitates nonverbal communication mechanisms through writing rules, letters, and characters, which are used for the shape of the hand, the orientation while the sign is made, the place of the body, and the spatial location where it is developed. This system is designed to make complete sentences. It is a practical, easy-to-remember, effective, and functional system to master sign language writing in a short time. What kinds of letters are used to write ASL? The ZulWsigns system for writing sign language uses the same letters of the alphabet that describe the hand shape of each letter from A to Z, with some differences. 1. Only capital letters and numbers describe the hand shape of the hand, which is always facing forward. The Z takes on a definite hand shape. There are 7 additional capital letters or characters. 2. Lowercase mouth letters. You are used for the 5 fingers of the hands. 3. Lowercase letters are not used as a hand shape, are used as manual locations. 4. There are additional characters and symbols that indicate the spatial and body location to write. 5. Body locations, when spelled alone, is also the name of the part of the body where it is located. 6. Diacritical signs or symbols are used to specify the function or movement of some physical or spatial locations. 7. It is written from left to right. This writing system is explained in the book, Sign Writing for Sign Language. This book aims to make available to deaf people the necessary tool to access in writing all the valuable information available to a hearing person. What is the purpose of the ZulWsigns writing system? The purpose is that the deaf person can write and read in their own language, capture their thoughts, ideas, and feelings, also check and learn for yourself, and that he may have complete assurance that the things he has been taught are true and trustworthy. This book not only teaches sign language, also describes signs that deaf people already use to communicate. With this manual, it is intended that the deaf can write the sign language that he already uses and that another deaf or hearing person can read and understand it. At the end of this course, you can download the font with the letters or alphabetic characters necessary to write in sign language. Welcome, and enjoy learning to write in sign language.